My man Shay here has been invited to a fancy Nancy party at school. And what did you want to come dressed up as?
A piece of wood.
And since that was shot down, we thought the next best thing, a wood bow tie. And you know what's even cooler than a wood bow tie? A wood bow tie with sparks in it. I'm not going to tell you how I wired this because liability. It's actually one of those things I said I wasn't going to do anymore because it was dangerous and we didn't need to. But it sounds like this is a worthwhile cause and we're being pretty darn careful. So I'm going to go ahead and kick this thing on and make the pixies angry. I'm running this without a ballast. I hope the transformer holds together long enough to get her done.
Wood is on fire!
Would you do me a favor and turn off that power strip right now, please?
What power strip?
Right there on the floor.
This one?
Nope, the other one. Perfect. I'm going to take all this apart and we're going to cut us out a bow tie and get it all sanded up. You are going to be the dapperest tree in the entire forest, Buster. Whoa. Don't cut towards your feet, please. I'm not sure that's better. Hey, I'm going to say a no on this. You want to chop something, you got to chop a log. That is the part we like. It's kind of a bummer we're going to lose some of the patterns. We got the bow tie shape, but that is what it is. Where is the shipwreck wood? And then, because every bow tie needs a rosette in the center, we're going to use a chunk of this black walnut. This is the black walnut board, the sunken black walnut board that he salvaged out of Lake Superior, we think. We call it shipwreck wood. Part of a dock, part of a boat, something like that. Weighs a ton, old growth stuff, beautiful, and that I think is what we're going to make the rosette out of, to the very center of it.
There's the one that is even closer to that. You don't have to do much of that.
Where's that?
I'm gonna go get it.
Okay.
And I'm also gonna go take the wood.
After experimenting with a couple of different designs, that's the one I settled on. Remember, it'll have that big rosette in the center, and I'm just going to do it from this side. Because trying to figure out the pencil marks through all of that charred stuff is difficult. We're just going to go over to the bandsaw and very slowly and carefully nip that out. You ready, bud?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Now I'm going to go over on the belt sander and just clean up the edges. This is hawthorn firewood that we cut up and salvaged. Hard stuff. Made a hammer or a hatchet handle out of it for him, and I really expected it to break earlier, but real trooper. But I want to get it sanded flat, get those old pencil marks off so that I can then attach my rosette here in the middle. And I think we're going to have ourselves a, head up, a dapper, upside down there, a dapper wood bow tie.
Wood.
Nice. I wonder if we have enough stuff to make a redwood one.
What?
Ooh, pretty. Alright, I'm thinking maybe ingrain would be most impressive. But unfortunately, this wood is pretty shattered. Still bet I could get a circle right there. You have a preference, Buster?
I'm trying not to cut that one up.
Well, I won't be cutting it up. I'll just be cutting a tiny slice off of it. And it'll be off the end that's cracked. We should have more of this stuff around here. Let's dig for it. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Now we need to glue it in place. I'm thinking just a blob of super glue, to be honest with you. Then we can spray it. Okay?
Yeah.
Here it is. It turned out nice. That is the hawthorn from when we were clearing the land. And this is the black walnut from that bit of wood Shay found. Shipwreck wood in the Great Lakes. He looks very dapper and debonair in there. And I think that the Vicksburg burn was a nice touch. Actually, come to think of it, I felt I could probably make and sell these at local craft fairs from your scraps pretty easily. I have just attached it by super gluing a strip of torn bed sheet to the back. And then I just put it on him and bow tie it. Then fold everything up underneath his collar. You'd probably want to do something else, maybe a clip-on or whatnot, but quite happy. Now my young man can definitely go to his fancy dress-up party dressed as wood. Thanks for watching.